English for Everyone. Coursebook, Level 2. Business English. Lesson 12.
Phrasal verbs have two or more parts. They are often used in informal spoken and written English, in things such as messages and requests to coworkers.
The paper in the copier has run out.
Could you look into fixing the coffee machine, please? Welcome back. When would you like to catch up? Can you deal with the overseas orders?
I'm afraid I have to hang up now.
When should we catch up? I'll look into the problem now. The printer has run out of ink. I need to catch up with you. Sorry, I have to hang up now. Could you deal with this order? I'll look into Mr. Lee's query. My client just hung up on me.
Hi, Oscar. It's Nikki from the IT department. I just wanted to catch up with you about your problem with the printers. I had a look at all of them yesterday, and they seemed okay at first. I looked into it a bit deeper and discovered the problem. The main problem is that when one printer runs out of ink, all the others stop working too. I've never seen this problem before, but have spoken to my colleagues about it. It's quite easy to deal with. I just need to update the software for you. I'll do all the updates after work this evening, so that your work isn't disrupted. Also, Oscar, I thought it would be nice to meet up sometime soon. I haven't seen you since Yasmin's going away party. Anyway, I've got lots to do, so I have to hang up now. Call me back when you get this and we can arrange something. Speak to you soon. Bye.
Fix up. Arrange. Bring up. Start discussing. Turn up. Arrive. Chill out. Relax. Fill out. Complete. Figure out. Find a solution.
Please, could you fill out this form? Please, could you fill this form out? We have to back up our files every night. We have to back our files up every night.
Sue's sick today. Let's call off the meeting. Sue's sick today. Let's call the meeting off.
They're giving out samples of their products. They're giving samples of their products out.
Please pass on the message to Jess. Please pass the message on to Jess.
Can we call today's meeting off? James, can you pass on the message to Zane? Welcome to Joe's. Please fill the visitors form out. Can you stand at the exit and hand the leaflets out? Put a helmet on before entering the site. Before I update the software, back your files up.
Every hour I back my new files up on my computer. Could you please pass the message on to Gary? I have an important meeting, so I put a suit on this morning. Howard, we should really fix a meeting up for this week. After a busy day in the office, I usually chill out at home.
End of Lesson 12. Thanks for watching.